Hey, Aaron.
Hey.
West Chester wants to know, what's a property maintenance issue?
So a lot of people are attracted to West Chester's fantastic neighborhoods and well-kept properties. However, there are times when that neighboring property goes out of repair, and that's where West Chester Township can step in to help you alleviate the problem. The important thing to remember is that West Chester has a property maintenance violation code that we can use to make properties come into compliance with appearance and other things. The most important two that we look at are tall grass and weeds, and also junk in the yard. Tall grass and weeds is pretty simple. Anything over 10 inches tall outside of a flower bed is considered a nuisance property and can be abated. Junk in the yard is use some common sense. If it shouldn't be in the yard and it's there for more than 48 hours, it may very well constitute a violation. Important thing for you to remember is that West Chester inspects every complaint that comes in, and we'll make the determination for you so you don't have to. All you have to do is let us know that the problem may exist, and we'll take it from there. There's two easy ways to notify us if you think there's a violation in your neighborhood. One is at westchesteroh.org, and the second is by calling the Community Development Office at 513-777-4214. Also important to note, West Chester by policy does not accept anonymous complaints, so you will need to provide some contact information for yourself. But it's our pleasure to keep these neighborhoods looking great. If you have a question you'd like answered on West Chester Wants to Know, it's easy to get a hold of us via our social media pages, Twitter, Facebook, and our website at westchesteroh.org.